Hello and welcome to day number 1 of your sculpture bootcamp. For the day number 1, what you will need to start is one of these bootcamp papers, a pencil, and perhaps your iPad. The first thing that you're going to want to do on this piece of paper is write your name, a 3 for 3rd grade, and then the letter of your teacher afterwards. Once you have your name on your paper, read the directions. It says, draw 3 coil pots in the boxes below. Draw the front and the side view. So, with 3-dimensional objects, you have to really consider how things look from all angles. So for this particular coil pot, for example, the front, obviously, is green, and there's no texture or designs. But when I turn it to the side, you'll notice that there is now a pattern, texture, and different colors. So if yours happens to change, depending on what angle you're looking at, draw the front and side view. But if it's the same all the way around, you will only need to draw your coil pottery from one angle. Also, as we discussed before, your artwork can be functional or sculptural. If it's functional, it serves a purpose, like this vase here. Or if it's sculptural, it's just a work of art that is really nice to look at. So you can use your iPad to research some ideas to draw your pieces in here. To make things simple, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a mug to get started today. So mine doesn't have any texture, it's just going to be smooth all the way around. So I'll draw an oval for the opening, 2 lines for the walls, a line for the bottom, and then maybe on the front of my mug I'll have a design. Perhaps I'll have a heart, an arrow going through it, and it says Mom in the middle. Why not? From the side view, things are going to change a little bit. So I'll draw it the same, still the same shape, but it has a handle, and we can only see half of the heart. Maybe the arrow, and then the OM. There we go. So I'm going to spend some time and draw 2 more examples, and in just a second, you'll see that finished. Okie dokie. So I have finished the front of my Sculpture Bootcamp worksheet. If you notice in number 2, I drew an arrow over to the side view. That simply means that this particular one is the same all the way around. So I only drew it from one angle. Once you finish the front, you're going to want to flip it to the back for part number 2. There's some more directions back here. Let's read them. Select your favorite thumbnail sketch from the front of the worksheet. Draw one view, front or side, in the box below. Fill the box with your drawing and add detail and color. So, it's decision time for me. Which one of these do I want to do? Personally, I like number 3, so I'm going to circle that one, and then I'm going to draw it large in this box. You'll see that done in just a second. Okay, so I drew number 3, the side view, in detail on the back, nice and large. The last step that I need to do is add some color. You can be as creative as you like with your color. When we use acrylic paints, you can get pretty much any color from them. So take some time, use your coloring supplies, and add the colors on your piece however you want it done. In just a second, you'll see that completed. Okay, so my piece has been completely colored in, and at this point you are done with day number 1. All you have to do is a conference with Mr. and Nicola. So come find me, raise your hand. I'll be over to check your piece out. If you pass my inspection, I'm going to grab my pencil and I'll give you my autograph. Once you have my autograph, this is your golden ticket to begin constructing clay out of day number 2.